Are you going to do it, Kenz? Whoop! Be nice to your sister. She's trying to come get you. She's trying so hard. Kenzie. Well, what are you going to do if she gets them? She's trying. Don't do that. Let her crawl.
She can't do it.
Yes, she can.
I can't do it. I can't follow.
Yes, you can. Don't push your sister. Stop. Here she goes. Poor Kenzie. She's gonna do it. Don't step on her. Be careful. Careful. You gonna do it, Kenzie? You're trying. Oh, thank you for sharing. Thank you. You gonna do it, Kent? You gonna do it? Honey, you gotta help her crawl. Don't push her down and just give her stuff. She has to try. She has to learn. I know, but you gotta make her work for it. She's gotta crawl a little bit to get to it.
Oh no.
What are you doing? Kenzie! Mackenzie! Mackenzie. Careful! Libby put Kenzie's headband on today. Be nice to her. Good girl. Don't push her. Let her go. No, no, no. Let her try. Honey, you stop. I want her to try and crawl. You keep stopping her from crawling. That's not very nice. Roll the ball over to Mom, please.
No.
Yeah, roll it to Mommy.
No.
Yeah.
No, I can't.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
Honey.
I can try. I'm going to do it. And then don't
No, leave her alone. Livy, give me the ball.
Oh no! I'm evil!
What'd you get, Kenzie? What'd you get?
Don't! Don't! Don't!
Poor Kenzie.